Hey folks, a cool evening across the valley. Temperatures dropping off pretty quickly in most areas. Still holding at 71 in Rio Grande City. Most other places in the 60s, but we've got a couple of readings into the 50s now. Raymondville and Harlingen. The beach holding at 64 right now. Look at our lows tonight. Upper 40s, low 50s. A chilly night across the valley tonight under clear skies, calm winds, no wind chill or anything like that. It's just going to be chilly. A nice night to be out. Just take a jacket with you if you're going to be out. And then tomorrow, we'll warm up pretty quickly. Still cool in the morning, but your afternoon highs climb back in the 70s in most locations. A little bit warmer out in the west, and the coolest spot will be on the beach, about 73 at South Padre Island. Winds turn around as the day goes on, eventually out of the southeast, about 7 to 17 miles an hour. Take a look at this. It's December, right? Officially December. Normal high this time of year, 74. Tomorrow will be above that. Wednesday will be even farther above that, and Thursday up into the mid to upper 80s. Record high is 92. Probably won't make that, but certainly above average for this time of year all the way through the week and really even through the next 7 days. We've got some ups and downs, but they're pretty subtle ups and downs. We don't see any big changes anytime soon. A lot of clouds early this morning, but they moved out by this afternoon, giving us mostly sunny skies. Tonight, things are chilly across the area, and during the daytime tomorrow, we start with sunshine early, and it doesn't go anywhere. Maybe some patchy clouds, eastern part of the valley, but that's about it. We go forward to Wednesday, same kind of thing. We start with partly to mostly sunny skies, and it just stays that way all day, even with the southeast winds. Now, the difference from today to Wednesday is humidity will start ramping back up, so you start to feel the stickiness coming back, but even that, it's pretty comfortable. Thursday, a few more clouds, but still should be a dry day across the region. In fact, we don't see any rain through at least Thursday. Some of the models indicate maybe Thursday night into early Friday. We should put maybe a 10% in there, so we'll keep an eye on that as a weak little front moves into the area. But at this point, weak is the key word. These are the currents around Texas. Dallas is 50, Abilene's 54, Dalhart 50, San Antonio's 56 right now, so our 66 looks pretty warm compared to the rest of the state. Here's what it looks like statewide on the satellite. Some clouds moving across the panhandle this morning. They're about done. It's a pretty quiet day, courtesy of the big ridge that's centered right on top of Houston right now. That ridge slowly moves to the east tomorrow. That turns our winds back around to the east-southeast by the end of the day, and by Wednesday, southeast wind kicks in, and when that happens, humidity starts to rise. Moisture pools just offshore, but I think most, if not all of it, should stay there. Again, some indications are a weak little disturbance could trigger a brief shower Thursday night, but at this point, that looks pretty unlikely. That combined with the front comes through, and at Friday, we just bring it back down to about where we were today for the weekend. So it just looks really comfortable all week long and all the way into the weekend. If you're headed to the coast, winds there tomorrow out of the east about 5 to 10 knots, a light chop on the bay. UV's moderate. Small craft operators urged to exercise caution, as you always should. There's a low risk of rip currents, 2 tides tomorrow, seas less than 2 feet. So for tonight, your First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast says 50 for a low, clear skies, chilly temperatures, winds tonight northeast about 4 to 8. Then tomorrow back up to 78 degrees. Skies are mostly sunny. Wind works its way around east-southeast about 5 to 10. As you look at the next 7 days, we go up, 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 then Friday down just a little bit, Saturday a little bit more, and then Sunday we're right back in the 80s again, Monday as well. If you're thinking parade maybe Saturday evening, 75 for a high, so back in the 60s by parade time. That's your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast.